This is a 2011 Ford F-150. It features a 5.0-liter, 8-cylinder engine and automatic transmission. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a limited slip differential, a navigation system, a low tire pressure indicator, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic locking wheel hubs, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and this vehicle has fewer than 31,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Beach Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have purchasing your new vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2717 Virginia Beach Boulevard in Virginia Beach.